June 8, which was the next one. I did a family photo for Daddy's family, and actually karon they just needed a few more. So today's like what day were today? Today's like the 15th. That was like a week ago. Nag-shoot ko nila. Karon nag-shoot ko gamay. Add-on na lang mga ganan sila na pictures with tram and everything. So that's why I added those photos with them. And muna mga picture karon. I didn't film also because mo na siya basta di ka maanad og video niya. Baraman sa gumakauwo kay naga-work ka, naga-shoot ka, then naga-video ka. So muna siya. So nata sa city karon, just finished my shoot with family. I did a family photo shoot for Phoebe, and then yeah, when you check outside, man, everything's so good. Yeah, everything's like so good. It's like winter. Look at that, man. Anyway, I need to go home now because I need to edit. So that's it for today. Yeah. Oh, look at those trees up there. Oh man, they're so good. And the last one was I went to IKEA. The last video I had was June 12, which was I went to IKEA and then did a bit of shopping for the studio. Kanang nangita ko mga stuff. Also, then I was looking into easy chairs kasi kanang ko makakaling ko ng easy chair kanang makarelax na taba. So that's what I did. Bye. Regarding the vlog, Bisaya Bai, I'm really I'm really backlog. Wala gid siya ayo akong life karon because I keep on procrastinating a lot of things. It's a good thing na naka-finish ko some of the things that I need to do, like some of the edits for the weddings that I've shot. I have only a few left right now on my plate. So yeah, I just want to apologize. I'm not gonna apologize. I'm just gonna tell you guys that I'm sorry. I'm still apologizing, but I'm sorry that wala tayong upload. But the thing is, I really want to upload a lot of stuff, especially karon na dili kayo having wedding, and I should be able to do things right away. So let's change our mindset. I'm doing a lot of things right now. Also, I'm doing self-learning and self-healing because of the things that I've been to, that I did, and everything else. And it's really daghan kasyang stuff that's happening for me now. So that's why it's kind of what's wrong with this thing. That's why it's kind of hard to get these things up and posted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make videos today, and then slowly I'll trickle previous videos that I've made. Ramag na weird ang because I'm on a road ng liko. I'm in the mountains, and ang angles the camera is weird. So I don't know what's gonna. I don't know if I need to stop this and get the wide lens off, but anyway, amo na siya. So as of now, I'm just gonna tell you what's happening. Gikan ko kanang Tatra, so reception place near my place. It's around 20 to 30 minutes away. Kanang si Henrik nagpatabang kay nagkuan siya. Nag-shoot siya wedding karon niya, nakabiling niyang audio gear. So I had to bring his audio gear. Maragi kog na-annoy sa kanang kuan ba sa lens. I'm gonna take it off. One sec. Yeah, this is a 24 mil, and mula lang siya nag-weird siya kasi as you can see, I'm driving now niya ang dalan kay patiltana, pabali, paana. So ang camera sa magsige siya try ka ng level up like this thing, nagtakilid ko. And then the camera is like level. It's weird. Kung kuan pa ni siya, kung vlogging camera pa ni siya, okay ra gyud, pero same na di mo kabantay nga nagtakilid na ko ngari. But yeah, the road is kind of weird. Karon nag-downhill sad ano. Muna siya. I just left an audio gear to Henrik, and karon padong ko kay IKEA. When I go to IKEA, I'm gonna try to check for some things that we can use in our podcast setup. So maybe have a setup for kanang kwan for a sofa or a table or whatever na magamit namin sa mong podcast. So I'm heading to IKEA. Might check some stuff there, and then after that, I'm gonna go to one studio para magbuhat sa mong podcast. We have a podcast for tonight. We have podcast every Wednesdays, and we film it at around 6 p.m. So we're on our episode 5. Nagtakilid ako. It's weird, the camera now. Really weird. Anyway, wala na siya. Nag-drive sa ako kay matakpan yung pulis nga rin. Yan, parang weird kaya. Nagtakilid ko. Ana niya, ang camera is like... I'll stop this. This is crazy. is at the IKEA right now. Just trying to look for some things na magamit. Oh, it's so nice here. All these arrangements. Yeah, nice. And yeah, we're all catched up. The next one is I am, what you call this, let's go straight. So I am shooting another family photo session for a nice sprint today. So I'm not sure if maka-video ko, but I'll see how we go. So I'm in Carlton Gardens. Though ang akong shoot is in an hour pa, so I need to tambay-tambay a bit. I don't want to go to the city because grabe yung kwan ito rally. Puno kaya ito sa rally, and